We have Dr. Salah Abdel Jalil joining us today. Thank you for being here.
Of course. Thank you very much for having me here.
I'm glad to have you. You're doing a lot of work at Atrium. You've been here 2 months. So I want people, first off, to meet you, but also let's talk about what are you doing at Atrium?
Yes, so I'm a hepatopancreatico and biliary surgeon. That means I'm specialized in treating conditions affecting the liver, pancreas, gallbladder, and common bile duct. My work involves caring for patients with cancer, benign tumor, and any serious condition that could affect any of these organs.
Wow. And so why did you want to get into this field and help folks out who are having pancreatic cancer or different types of cancers? Why is that so important to you?
Well, cancer is a serious condition that we are living in this era. And pancreas is one of the most aggressive cancer that any patient could have. The mortality rate is very high, and I had a passion about it before I even started my general surgery training. So that's why I choose this field. I not only helping patients treating their condition, but also helping them regain the quality of their life.
All right, and so you have some really incredible things that you're offering at Atrium, really keeping services here in Middle Georgia. What are you doing here in Macon?
So what I'm bringing is I can do any complex surgeries, including Whipple surgery, which is one of the most complex procedures that could be done inside the abdomen. If the patient has a tumor at the head of the pancreas, which is the right side of the pancreas, he will require this procedure to be removed. And patients in the past used to have to go to Atlanta to get this surgery, but now I brought this service here so they can be close to home when they get this procedure and they have all the support that they need.
Wow, and so why is that so important to you to bring those services here to the Middle Georgia area? Instead of having folks drive to Atlanta an hour or two away, why is that so important that you could help people here?
First thing, it's important for the patient. When they have someone here, they can access a highly specialized surgeon closer to home. They don't have any problem with transportation from here to Atlanta. Their family member can drive them. They can be with them. They can visit me as many times as they want without thinking that I need 3 hours to go to Atlanta and come back.
Wow. And so what other opportunities do folks have with you? I know you're looking forward to something else in the next few months. What are you working on?
So we're planning to start a new program in the next 2 to 3 months called Hepatic Artery Infusion Pump Program. This pump helps patients with stage 4 colon cancer that metastasize to the liver. And once we place this pump, usually I place it surgically at the left side of the abdomen under the skin. They will not have anything outside the skin. And we connect it to the artery that goes to the liver. And usually the pump will inject it with chemotherapy every 2 weeks.
Wow.
And the pump will work on its own and will inject chemotherapy directly to the liver. The benefit of this pump is that they will not have any systemic side effects because they're having chemotherapy going directly to the liver without going anywhere else. And the results is very promising, as there's more than 40% of these patients become resectable. So they go from stage 4 colon cancer to tumor-free if they get the liver resected. And it's a huge thing in treatment of colon cancer.
Wow. And so I have to ask, what is your favorite part of this job? I mean, you are helping folks with cancer at a very serious point in their life. What's your favorite part of getting to interact with these patients?
So my favorite part is seeing patients coming back to my clinic a few years after they get treated and they're still alive after suffering a really serious cancer and a very aggressive type of tumor.
All right, and so if you want to find out more about these resources being offered at Atrium, head on over to our website, 41NBC.com. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much for having me here.